What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is the PlayStation 5 console cover. And so we're going to go ahead and put this on. So this is what you get the instructions right here, tells you how to do it. And here's a decal, this is for the disc version. I like the smoke look, it looks pretty cool. It's pretty flexible. To remove the PlayStation 5 cover, put your hand on the logo, lift and slide. So we're going to lift up from the back corner right here and pull. There we go. That was easy, right? Go ahead and put the new cover on. So you see these tabs, they go in here, in these holes. So you want to line that up. There we go, and boom, done. So as you can see, there is a little bit of texture on here, which is good because it's not a fingerprint magnet. See, you don't see no fingerprints. So let's go ahead and flip it over. I like that you can see the fan inside here, which is really cool. So if you see a lot of dust or debris collecting in there, of course, that lets you know to open it up and clean it out. Go ahead and remove this. There we go. Remove that. I got double-sided tape on it. That's why it was stuck on. Face the PlayStation toward us once again. And we're gonna... There we go. You lift up in one corner and pull out. And it pulls out this way. This is the Blu-ray drive. So of course that's where this goes. Right here. Alright, so make sure all the tabs are in. You wanna face it forward. There we go. Now on this side, we want to make sure the tabs are in as well. And let's go ahead and just tap it this way and you should be locked in. And we're good. Double check the top, make sure there's no gaps. We're good over here. Feels pretty tight and secure. And yeah, we're good. This is the stand, of course. We got double-sided tape right here and here. Should stay on fairly well. And of course you have to spin it this way. You don't want it like that. That's for the vertical side. Spin it this way. And then put this on right here on the edges. I want to make sure it's centered like that. And press. There we go. Yeah, feels good. Alright, so let's go ahead and we're going to put the front decals on. Let's clean it up a little bit. And I like the fact that you can see right through. It's kind of cool. And see, this decal is good because then you put your fingerprints all over it and you don't see the fingerprints on the PlayStation 5. Looks pretty sharp. And I like how you can see right through and the lights glow through the cover, which is really cool. I hope this helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.